Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today we're gonna react sa music video ni Uncle Doug's para sa kanta niyang Viva La Raza, man, with Tugsta. This official music video. If you guys remember, we did react to the official audio of this song, man. This song is a banger, man. This song is a fucking banger. And now we have a music video. You know, sobrang na-enjoy ko palagi yung mga music video ni Uncle Doug's. Kasi lagi siyang creative, no? It's not like the usual music video na napapanood mo or, you know, nakikita mo sa ibang mga artists. It's always creative, you know? Yung last nga lang yung 1990, that music video is just creative. Like, they use AI as well on that music video, but the AI or the use of AI is very, very smart, man. Na hindi siya pangit na tingnan or OA na tingnan. So, for this, I'm looking forward, man. It's a music video. Again, the song is just a banger. I've been listening to this song for a few days now, or weeks now, man. But we have the music video. Without no further ado, man, let's get it.
Daga, tunay na sagasa, Eddie Guerrero, Viva La Raza, Eddie Bonet. Si boss.
Kamusta, boss?
Boss!
Si Boss.
Tignan mo naman, di ba? 2 months. Pag mas matagal, mas malupit. Di ba?
Walang mic sila.
Diba?
Wala silang mga mic. Kaya
Kumbaga sa
marinig
Tagalog, bale ang leeg. Sa English, head turner. Pero
Ano daw?
speaking of bale, mabali sana kami. Ang
Ayun
music
lang.
video, eto gumagatong agad.
Kasama ka.
Ang music video lang, boss.
Baliin mo kaya, boss? Baliin ko kaya yung leg mo.
Hindi yun.
2 months, ha? Ayusin nyo,
Kala
gawa
nga
nyo.
nung putang ina, hindi ka naman boss eh.
Hindi ka naman boss eh.
Wala na. Sleeping time.
Ayos na. Sindihan na.
Smoke that shit.
Ano, 50% work, 50% sleeping time, no? Viva La Raza. Dag. Oh, Uncle Doug's losing weight, man. Since pinala natin yung 1990 na music video niya, Uncle Doug's losing weight. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Viva La Raza. That's a fucking flex, daw. Hindi ko na kailangan makulit. Sikat na ako, man. God damn it, man. Di ko marinig, lalo na kung di ko kalibe. Like, you're too far away. Nasa sobrang lalim mo, hindi kita marinig, man. Make music. Hey! Yes. The song is just a banger, man. The song is just a banger, man. Oh. I'm sorry. For the love of money? Iba yung sinasabi niya doon? For the love of money. Yung pagka-pronounce kasi niya, no? For the love of money. Okay?
Kahit ano pang mangyari, tigil-tigil lumagari.
Hey!
Kailangan ko panindigan. Yung lamesa ko kailangan ko lagyan. Na makakain mas problema tindigan. At kung babae matigan hindian. Sa kalsada patintero pag nanalo pera.
Pera muna bago EA, no? That's always the goal, man. Kung uunahin mo yung EA, malulunod ka. Malulunod ka.
Kung babae matigan hindian.
Hey!
Kalsada patintero pag nanalo pera. Pakikisama sa kalsada respeto nakuha. Pagmamahal ko sa kalsada ya wala katulad. Maaga to na palaban niya hindi makupad. I'm a big rip, siyang tunay. Walang face bitch hanggang sa hukay. May respeto, kitang patnubay. Ito yung katulad. Maaga to na palaban niya hindi makupad. I'm a big rip, siyang tunay. Walang face bitch hanggang sa hukay.
I'm a big crip, siyang tunay. Walang peace hanggang sa hukay. Shade.
Hindi makupad, I'm a big rip, siyang tunay. Walang face bitch hanggang sa hukay. May respeto, kitang patnubay. Ito yung premyo, magandang buhay.
Hey!
Yung mga G's, nakablow.
Real talk yan, no? Minsan yung mga tao pa sa street ang may pinakamagaling respeto, no? Is yung mga taong sabi natin na buhay high-end, no? Which is, again, doon mo malaman ng respeto talaga at paggalang, no? Is hindi mo makukuha sa loob ng bahay. Sometimes, makukuha mo siya or ma-realize mo siya sa experience, man. Kaya maraming mga may yaman no na na feeling tag dito. Main character, no? Main character shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Head, sir. Dragon. Yes, sir. Hey.
Make money lang, tapos make music. Yes, sir. Mas mainit pa kami sa desk, sir. Ang buga ko lang ako ay enter. Dragon, yung mag-alis, sir. Pag pinalibang ko tong kumay. Tags. Tags.
Ito. Ano yan? Ang bagsakan parang Lesnar. Pag binalibag ko tong kupala. Ganda na daw.
Lang ako ay enter. Dragon, yung mag-alis, sir. Pag pinalibang ko tong kumay. Tags. Tags.
Hey.
Tags. 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 Tags.
Hey.
Tags. 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 Tags.
Shit, man. Lakas mo ka no old school music video ng gantong shot talaga no. Itong gantong shot, no? Parang naka-fish eye. Let's go. Alright, that is Uncle Dogs with Tugsta Viva la Raza, man. Mga music video talaga dit Uncle Dogs, man. Quality, no? Quality. But, again, song is the highlighted here, man. Song is just a banger, man. Song is just a banger. Parang pinatugtog mo to, walang magreklamo kung baka patugtugin mo to. The song is just a banger, man. Uncle Dogs never miss. God damn. Well, that's our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to react to more of Uncle Dogs, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace.